Good morning today, or good afternoon rather. Today we're looking at some conditions that are rather pleasant. In fact, temperatures similar to morning temperatures we've had recently, but it's so cool. We're still looking at some 60s in parts of the valley. So we're enjoying a nice quiet day, lots of sunshine out there, some of those clouds passing through, but overall it's looking really great. You can see that on our visible satellite map there are just a couple of clouds, especially to the south and east, and showers, thunder showers, those are missing us to the south as well. So keeping things quiet and dry. Here's a look at our temperatures. We are in the 60s again in northwestern parts of Minnesota, and those of us in eastern North Dakota hitting 70 now. We're at 70 in Fargo and in Grand Forks. The warm spot's Hallock at 73 degrees. It's getting a little brisk over to the west. We've got a couple of gusts into the 20s there, most of us staying on the quiet side right now, but the wind will be picking up as we head into tonight in advance of our next round of storms. And we've got a lot to talk about for us heading into the end of the week. Here's a look at this. So as we head into the afternoon, looking great. Temperatures are going to be on the rise to the low to upper 70s. So not necessarily a big warm up coming this afternoon. Maybe one or two places reaching 80 in eastern North Dakota. A high of 79 in Fargo. We will continue to see that wind out of the southeast heading into tonight, keeping things dry as well heading into tonight. But as we work our way overnight, the wind continues to pick up through the valley, and we're looking at some gusts by tomorrow morning getting into the more 20s and more into the 30s. And the direction out of the southeast, that tends to bring in warmer air, but also some good moisture too, and that's going to help feed that chance for some thunderstorms coming up for the end of the week. So this is morning hours on Thursday. As we head through the day Thursday, there is a chance for an isolated shower or thunder shower, but the greater threat will be west. And for us in the valley, overnight Thursday night and into Friday is our storm risk. So we're looking at the overnight hours and really focused in on Friday for severe weather and a low end risk. We're under a marginal risk throughout the state of North Dakota and many of our counties in Minnesota and South Dakota with the potential for all types of severe weather with this one. Now heading into Friday, that's round one. So we're looking at maybe some storms Friday morning associated with that first round. Second round may redevelop as we head into the second part of the day on Friday, looking at that chance for rain and thunder. So that shift for severe weather moves eastward. So we're looking at most of the valley included in a marginal risk on Friday for severe weather. So this is what we want to pay attention to heading into Friday night as well. And this could also mean some heavy rain. And I know some places are waterlogged. There's some standing water. I've seen those pictures that you've been sending us. And unfortunately, there is a risk that we might have some excessive rainfall. So this is our rainfall potential starting again Thursday night and then continuing into the day Saturday, because we may see more storms on Saturday. And there are some places that may end up with another 2+ inches of rainfall. Not going to hit everybody, but if you're one of those places that's struggling with too much water, please make sure you're aware of this and ready for it as it's coming your way. Potential is there. So again, some active weather setting up for Friday. I didn't even talk about the heat yet. We're looking at temperatures rising up to 90 degrees for Friday on that first alert weather day, with humidity included in that. We're talking heat index values that could reach that century mark. So it's going to be hot, muggy, and we'll have to watch out for those storms both Friday and carrying over into Saturday as well. We get some relief as we head into next week. So up and down here in the forecast.
I'd like to hear about the relief. Thank you, Lisa.